Hello, everyone!
Today, we learn about fruit through ABC. Let's start now. A is for apple.
Whoa!
Hun. B is for banana.
Whoa!
C is for cherry. D is for durian. E is for elderberry. F is for fig.
Hi. G is for grape.
Hey! H is for honeydew. I is for imbe.
Wombe!
J is for jackfruit. Hello. K is for kiwi. L is for lemon. M is for mango. N is for nectarine. O is for orange. O, orange. P is for papaya. Q is for quince. Hey. R is for raspberry. Hey. S is for strawberry. T is for tomato. U is for oogly fruit. V is for vanilla. W is for watermelon. Y is for yellow passion fruit. X is for shigwa. Z is for zucchini. Wow! Good job! Now we know many fruits. Let's learn more next time.
Bye-bye! Kid Camp!